you open your books,
मैम
please.
दो
Huh? If anyone want to talk to me, just raise your hand because I mute you all. मैंने सबको mute कर दिया है. So if you want to ask to me any question, just raise your hand. And yeah, Avnish. Yes, Avnish. Unmute
मैम
yourself.
बस 2 ही बस रीड कर रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ आने दो, अभी सबको और ऐड होने दो. ओके, we have time. We have time. We have time, students. Short is adding. Okay, all of you, open your page number 6 from lesson 1. Lesson 1 में क्या है? The name of chapter is Computer Fundamental. Clear? So computers के क्या क्या वर्क हैं, उनके साथ क्या क्या एडिंग्स हैं, वो हम पढ़ेंगे आज. And we revise it. So first of all, hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware is the part of the body that we can touch. Hardware ऐसा part है कंप्यूटर का जिसे हम टच कर सकते हैं. Page number 1. And software is the part that can we not touch. We only feel. Hardware and software, they are two parts of computer system and one operating system. Who operate the computer system? Without operating system, a computer cannot work. Okay? And how it is a work? Yes, Jia? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या बोल रहे हो? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. So how does a computer work? Input, process and output, IPO cycle. Okay. Now open page number 6. Tick the correct steps. Page number 6. Tick the correct steps. Okay. Okay. So tick the correct steps A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So A, getting result 78 on the monitor. अब ये क्या है? इनपुट है, प्रोसेस है, आउटपुट है. आपके बुक में दिया हुआ है. क्लियर? टाइपिंग 45 plus 67. Comparing 34 and 25. Printing a document. Calculating 45 plus 65. Avnish, unmute yourself. और अब आप बताओ. Tell me, getting result 78 on the monitor. What is this? Input, process? Output. Okay.
Output.
Okay. Typing 45 plus 67.
Ma'am, input.
Comparing 34 and 25.
Ma'am, process.
Printing a document.
Ma'am, output.
Calculating 45 plus 67.
Process.
Okay. Mute yourself. Jia, unmute yourself. Jia, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number
Yes,
7.
ma'am.
Page number 7. There are figures of hardware and software, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you identify? आप उसको identify कर पाएंगी कि कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर है,
Yes,
कौन सा?
ma'am.
Okay. So A, option A.
Ma'am, S.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, software.
Wait, Jia. All students जो अभी ऐड हुए हैं, please open your page number 7, 6, From lesson 1, page number 6, we are revising today. हम आज रिवीजन कर रहे हैं. Okay? स्टूडेंट्स ऐड हो रहे हैं. Listen to me. We are only revising our chapter. हम लोग रिवाइज कर रहे हैं चैप्टर. ठीक है? For the half yearly test. और ये अभी नहीं होगा, आपको डेट मेंशन कर दी जाएगी. ओके? सो हम आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे अभी. We are only revising our chapters from lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear?
सामने रख दे.
Clear all of you? Okay.
Mute बनी.
Okay, Jia.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify A. What is this?
Ma'am, software. Ma'am, software.
Software. What is this? किसकी फिगर है ये? Who is this picture?
Ma'am, window.
Windows. Very good. B.
Ma'am, hardware.
Hardware. C.
Ma'am, hardware.
And ये किसकी है picture? Who is this pic?
Ma'am, RAM.
RAM. Very good. D. Option D. Option D is hardware or software? Hurry up. जल्दी बताओ.
Ma'am, hardware.
Hardware. C. E. E.
Ma'am, S. Ma'am, software.
Software. And who is this pic? किसकी है ये?
Ma'am, calculator.
Calculator. F.
Ma'am, hardware.
Hardware. G.
Ma'am, software.
Software. And who is this pic?
Ma'am, paint.
Paint. Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Adamya, unmute yourself. Adamya, unmute yourself. Adamya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 7. Question number 3. Match the related options.
Page number
7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, हमें क्या करना है इसमें?
Ma'am, इसमें मैच करना है.
एक साइड, one side we see the figures, okay, of software, hardware and storage devices, application software, okay, and other side we have answer. हमारे पास answers भी है और figures भी है. So first we match our figure with correct answers, okay. Okay, now you tell me, Adamya, A, which figure is this?
Ma'am, paint.
Yes, and what is this? Paint क्या है? Application software है या system software है?
Ma'am, application software.
Very good. Next is CPU. What is the CPU? CPU is the
inside the CPU box.
No, CPU beta. CPU is the brain of a computer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Brain.
Yes.
First.
Huh? First.
Ma'am, first.
Yes, first. Now C. C is?
Ma'am, inside the CPU box.
Very good. And D?
D.
Huh? D? D is?
Ma'am,
storage device. And E? E is? Operating system.
Operating system.
और ये क्या है? This is the Windows. Okay?
Windows.
Okay, Adamya. Thank you. Mute yourself. Okay, Chama. Unmute yourself, Chama. Next page, page number 8. Next page, page number 8. Fill in the blanks. Chama?
Yes, ma'am.
Fill in the blanks. Okay?
Okay,
Okay. Now option A. A is small in size but can store a large
Yes,
amount
ma'am.
of data. Which is this? आंसर बताइए क्षमा.
मैम आपका वीडियो स्टॉप आ रहा है.
मेरा वीडियो स्टॉप आ रहा है?
कहाँ स्टॉप है?
नो.
हाँ, अब बोलो.
क्षमा, टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ A. A dash is small in size but can store a large amount of data. हरी अब बेटा जल्दी बताओ.
मेमोरी कार्ड.
Memory card. Very good. The pen drive is connected to the computer through a dash port.
USB.
USB. The dash is the main hardware part of a computer. Hurry up.
CPU.
CPU. Dash is the part of the computer which you cannot touch or feel. जिसको आप टच और फील नहीं कर सकते. Which part of the computer?
Software.
Software. Dash is an application software. ये एक application software है. कौन सा है?
WordPad.
WordPad. Very good. Now mute yourself. Shama. Good. Shaurya, unmute yourself. Shaurya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Up. Where is your video? Your videos. Okay. Now circle the correct options.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you look in your book. Don't look here and there. Pay attention and look in your book. अपनी बुक में देखो कि इधर उधर नहीं. पढ़ने बैठे हो ना? Okay. Which of the following refers to a set of instructions that tells the computer to do a particular work?
Software.
Software. Which of the following is an example of system software? System software का एक example है. What?
MS Windows.
Okay. Which of the following is an example of computer hardware? Computer hardware का example?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Which storage device is connected to the computer through a USB cable?
Ma'am, external hard drive.
Which of the following store the information on which the CPU is currently working?
Memory unit.
Okay, very good, Shaurya. And learn it, okay? Mute yourself. And don't off your videos. Look in your book. Don't off your videos. Shreyansh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Put a tick for the correct statement and a cross for the wrong ones. Clear? Where is your video? आपका video off क्यों है? Why you off your videos? हाँ? Look here.
बोल दो मैम, हम गांव में आए हैं. बोल दो.
मैम हम लोग गांव में आए हैं.
शादी था.
Okay, okay, okay. तो books है या नहीं?
नहीं, बुक
No,
नहीं है.
ma'am.
बोल दो.
Okay, just listen. Okay, सुनो बैठ के. Off नहीं करना.
सुनो ठीक है शांति से.
ऑफ कर दोगे तो फिर आप लर्न नहीं कर पाओगे जो बताया जा रहा है ना? So just listen. Okay? Okay. Aradhya, unmute yourself. Aradhya, unmute yourself. Aradhya, unmute yourself. Aradhya. 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 There is network problem. Okay, Vivek, unmute yourself. Vivek, unmute yourself. Vivek. Not reporting. Aradhya and Vivek. Aradhya. Vivek. Not responding. Okay. Again, Shreyansh, sorry, Avnish, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Put a tick for the correct statement and cross for the wrong ones. Okay. A CD can store more data than a DVD. True or false?
Ma'am, cross.
False. RAM is present
Ma'am,
inside
cross.
the CPU box.
Ma'am, true.
Hard disk is an example of computer hardware. A pen drive is a portable storage device.
Ma'am, true.
Linux is an example of system software.
Ma'am, true.
Okay. Mute yourself. Gia, mute yourself. Gia, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Give one example of each of the following. A storage device.
Ma'am, memory card.
Okay. Hardware part connected to the CPU box.
Ma'am, keyboard.
Hardware part present inside the CPU box.
Ma'am,
Okay. System software.
ma'am, window.
Application software.
Ma'am, water.
Okay. Are you learn the question answer? है आपको कुछ remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name any two peripheral devices.
Ma'am, printer or speaker.
Okay. Write the full form of the following. Okay. ALU.
Ma'am, mathematical logic unit.
CU.
Ma'am, control unit.
MU.
Ma'am, memory unit.
Okay. Name the okay. Define computer software. Computer software. Not learn. Okay, wait.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Just learn this question answer at your home. All students learn the question answer at your home. Question answer को छोड़ नहीं देना है. उसको learn करिए. Okay. I ask in next class to you. Okay. Mute yourself. Sorry, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you learn the question answer?
Yes, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It is easy to say no.
No, ma'am.
Learn करो, ठीक है? Learn the question answer at your home.
Yes,
Open your page number 25.
yes, ma'am.
Open the page number 25. This is from lesson 2. Open your page number 25.
Yes.
This is from lesson 2. Clear? Shaurya? Okay, now first identify
ma'am.
and label the following parts in the picture given below. आपको एक पिक दिखाई दे रही है ना?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
there are many parts of computers. क्या क्या है उसमें? Tell me.
Ma'am, icons, taskbar, notification area, icons.
And
Ma'am, show desktop button, desktop background.
okay, very good. Now 2. Match the related options. क्या करना है इसमें? There are A, B, C, D, E. 5 questions and you have to match your question with correct answers. Clear students? Clear all of you? आपको
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
करना है? क्वेश्चन से करेक्ट आंसर्स को मैच करना है. ओके?
Match करना है.
ओके. नाउ A, icons.
Ma'am, small picture on the desktop.
Wallpaper.
Ma'am, a picture that appear on the desktop behind all its icons.
Okay. Android, iOS.
Ma'am, mobile operating system.
MS Windows.
Ma'am, an operating system designed to run on the desktop computer.
Okay. Screensaver.
Appear if computer is left idle for some time.
Idle नहीं, idle. Okay. Okay.
Idle.
Learn this, match the following. Mute yourself. Avnish Yadav. Avnish, unmute yourself. Avnish. Loss. Network loss. Ananya. Ananya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Ananya. Page number 25, fill in the blanks. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
A, B, C, D, E. There are 5 questions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And you just tell me the answers. Dash was the first smartphone to provide GUI.
Ma'am, Apple iPhone.
Apple iPhone. Spelling of that? Tell me the spelling.
APPLE Apple iPhone iPhone.
Okay. You all of you learn the spellings also. ये नहीं कि आपको लिखना नहीं तो आप लर्न नहीं करोगे. ठीक है? Microsoft Windows is a dash based operating system.
Ma'am, GUL.
L नहीं है, I है. This is I.
Ma'am, GUI.
I. Okay. Dash let you create short text notes which are displayed on the desktop.
Ma'am, STICKYNOTEN.
S. Sticky
S.
notes. Sticky notes. ठीक है? Arranging the icons on the desktop in a specific order is called
SORTING. Sorting.
yes. The desktop icons are also called
SHORTCUTS. Shortcuts.
very good. Very good, Ananya. Mute yourself. Arvind, unmute yourself. Arvind, unmute yourself. Arvind. Arvind. Arvind, unmute yourself. Vivek, unmute yourself. Arvind.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. कहाँ थे? Where are you? हाँ? गायब हो जाते हो? कहाँ थे?
मैं घर थे.
घर ही थे तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे फिर? हो रहे थे? हाँ?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Page number 25. We are revising our chapters from lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? Page number 25. Sit properly. एक जगह बैठ जाओ. Books, copies लेके. Don't move here and there. 25. Page number 25. Open हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now first question. Identify and label the following parts in the picture given below. Do you mention the figures, parts?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Icon, show the desktop button, desktop background, text bar, notification area.
Taskbar. Okay. Okay. Now match the related options. Okay. We have questions A, B, C, D, E, 5 questions, and you have to match the question with correct answers. Clear? So, first question is icons.
Small picture on the desktop.
Okay. Android and iOS.
Mobile operating system.
Okay. Wallpaper.
A picture that appears on the desktop behind the icon.
Okay. Screensaver.
An operating system designed to run on the desktop computer.
MS Windows.
MS. An operating system designed to run on the desktop computer.
Okay. Very good. Mute yourself. And learn this question also. Okay.
Yes.
Mute yourself. Shama, unmute yourself. Shama, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 25. Fill in the blanks. Page number 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you.
Yes, ma'am.
I asked you the questions. मैं आपसे questions करूंगी और आपको उसका आंसर्स बताना है, ठीक है? Clear? Dash was the
Okay,
first
ma'am.
smartphone to provide GUI. Hurry up, Chama. जल्दी करो.
Ma'am, Apple phone.
Okay. Microsoft Windows is a Dash-based operating system. जल्दी, hurry up. क्या हो गया?
Ma'am, shortcut.
No. Microsoft Windows is a Dash-based operating system. B. Option B.
GUI.
Yes. C. Dash let you create short text notes which are displayed on the desktop.
Sticky notes.
Arranging the icons on the desktop in a specific order is called dash.
Sorting.
Sorting. The desktop icons are also called dash.
Shortcut.
Okay. Very good. Mute yourself.
सारा गड़बड़ हो रहा है बड़ी मतलब
Okay, Adamya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 26. Circle the correct options.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There are 5 questions.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you just tick on the correct answers. Which of the following is a desktop computer operating system? इनमें से कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कौन है? कौन सा है?
Ma'am, Microsoft Windows.
Okay. Microsoft released Windows 7 in. Microsoft Windows 7 कब रिलीज हुआ है?
Ma'am, 2009.
2009. In Windows 7, the first screen that appear after the booting process is completed is
Ma'am, desktop.
desktop. Desktop. Not desktop. Desktop. Okay. Which of the following is not present on the Windows 7 taskbar? Adamya?
Ma'am, task view button.
Okay. Wait. iOS operating system was developed by
Apple Inc.
Okay. Very good. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Ananya?
Ma'am.
Ananya, unmute yourself. Ananya, page number 26, put a tick for the correct statement and a cross for the wrong ones.
Yes, ma'am.
True, false.
कर ले रही हैं.
No, beta, just mute yourself. Okay, you can add as many gadgets to the desktop as you want.
I'm correct.
Correct. You can clear the calculation on the calculator by pressing the escape key.
I'm correct.
Notification area is on the left side of the taskbar.
I'm wrong.
Android operating system was created by Google.
I'm correct.
Desktop icons cannot be moved.
I'm wrong.
Wrong. Okay. Very good. Are you learn the question answer? Question se learn hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name any two operating system designed to run on desktop computers.
Ma'am, Microsoft Windows and
Linux.
Linux. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Define booting.
When you switch on the computer, it loads the operating system into the computer memory.
Okay, very good. What is desktop?
The desktop is a fast screen that appears after the booting process is completed.
What? Okay, very good. What does the taskbar contain?
It has the short button, middle section, notification area, and show desktop button.
Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Okay. So, okay, students, next class, I ask you to the question answer from lesson 2 and 1. 1 and 2. Okay? Clear? And this is your homework. Okay? Jia, Avnish, Arvind. Class miss nahi honi chahiye. Clear? Okay, take care, students. I end the meeting. Bye.